Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to get a handheld camera with your phone or an iPhone or an Android phone or an iPad or Android tablet. And it's basically free unless the app costs $5 if you wanted to have full resolution of 1080p slash 720p slash 900p. But 600p is basically fine if you need something just for to show some quick shots here and there, or if you're just trying to show us you saw something. It would be better with 1080p because I did a test recording with it and it looked okay for basically it for for the camera. Even though it's a phone camera, it's better than most webcams, and it's not better than the DSLR, but so I'm going to show you what you need. So first, you're going to need to go to this website, which is dev47apps.com/OBS. And you have to make sure you have the latest version of OBS, which is, as of I recall, is 21.7.3, I think it is. I don't remember, but the latest version of OBS, you just download from the website. And then you basically get the app for Android/iOS. So for the iOS, you have to go onto the app onto your iPad/iPhone, download there. Android, you have to either you can click on here and go to the Google Play Store on your actual computer, and then download it from there. Make sure the Android device is signed into that Play Store account. Then you download your OBS plugin software. Um it has to be it can't be Streamlabs, but it can but it but the software can be on Windows, Linux/Mac OS, and then you just download it. And after that, you press next, 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 and you basically select which one you want to use it for, which is Mac OS, or I mean iPhone/iPad/Android/Android tablet. Then after that, you come into your scenes, and you basically press right here, and then you go to droid cam OBS. Press this one. Well, you press this one. You name it whatever you want. So if you have paid for the app and not using the free version, you can select 1920/1280/720/960 by 720. But you can actually press either of them right now. But if you select any of these three on the free version, you'll have a watermark right in the middle here and right in the middle here. So it will be right here and and that will be removed if you spend the $5. Not expensive, but most people probably can't afford that if they um just for an app. You can actually if you get a Google Play/iTunes gift card, you can actually get it then with that. But once you install the app, you would get you will get a Wi-Fi IP address, which is the IP address for your phone. You put that right here. Then after that, if you want to have two-way audio, you basically press enable audio. If you want to do hardware acceleration with actually it, you click on here, and then you basically can deactivate. You can press deactivate when not shown, just to save on resources on the device. And then you can press activate after all that is done. Press OK, and then you will get a window like that. Then and if you have it set in like a specific scene, I have mine set to a scene called Samsung right here, and it goes here. And then when I turn on my phone right here, and the app is open, it will just be like this. And you can hear my voice twice by accident. But when you have this active, you want to disable your main as your mic, or if you're just using this as your main webcam that you can move, then you don't, and you're not using a secondary XLR mic or USB mic, you wouldn't have to have this. You wouldn't worry about this. But I will mute it like that, and when I'm talking on here, you can hear me here. And then when I go back to finish recording here, I can basically just turn this one off like so. And then I turn it on right here for your main microphone. And that allows you to basically just have seamless integration. And there's a Stream Deck key you can use. For example, you can basically, if you want to mute the mic right here. So I'm just going to show you. 1 second. I have an actual button right here for muting my main mic. So as you can see, you can now hear me twice. But I'm just going to do that. I also have one for my desktop audio. So when something's playing over here, I can literally just mute that there with the Stream Deck. And what I would recommend doing is basically having a mute button for the Stream Deck. So a mute button for the Stream Deck for this device right here. So when you basically need when you need to have audio, you can literally just press the button to unmute it, or when you don't need audio, you can press it here and just showing stuff. So yeah, they even have an app for OBS, so you can remotely control your OBS recording with a Stream Deck or with an Stream Deck. So you would use webhooks for this and for the Stream Deck on OBS, and then you have that hooked to the Stream Deck software and the other room you want to record in. So if you, let's just say you want to start recording here, and then you wanted to show something else, you literally could pause here and then go to the other room that has the computer set up where that has a Stream Deck on there, where like you want to record it, or just have a laptop you'll always have with you with like a Stream Deck hooked on to your pocket or your backpack, and then you can just press the button there, and then you can just pause it anywhere you want, as long as you have like a mini computer or some kind of computer that doesn't use a lot of power, that can run on battery, that can use a Stream Deck software, like a MacBook or a Windows laptop that's low power and that's actually passive, and you can run the USB cable out of there to have a portable like live pausing rig where you can just pause the recording with one Stream Deck in OBS if you wanted to. So that's just one way. That's why I just have this set up like this, so I can just move the camera and have one I can have without needing to basically record to my camera, then import into OBS. Import into editing software. And so this is so I don't have to import into an editing software unless it needs to be touched up a little bit more. I'm just trying to do this live so I can have a live recording rig where I don't have to basically have anything done post-processing unless it needs to be like audio, and I would put that into the screen instead of the up here right where my finger's at, and put it up there where there's been audio manipulated or boosted here and there, and I can just put that somewhere in the video, possibly at the top. So yeah, that's how I have this set up for recording a handheld, and it's free as long as you don't mind the quality, because this is how the quality looks on this screen. This is a 1440p panel, and it has black bars, but you can either put a background image over here and over here just so it's not a black screen. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.